Hello, Rockstar. How are you doing today? Well, that's great. Today is going to be an interesting session as we are going to draw different kinds of leaves. So, let's see the steps and start drawing the leaf in this box. Well, at first, we will take our pencil and start drawing the top leaf. Yes, this is a simple one and for which we are going to start by drawing a curve. And after that, make two curves on the side. And why don't we make the branch? Now let's make the second leaf. For this, we are going to make a sleeping line at first. And after that, a U. Can you tell me which shape this is? Yes, this is a semicircle. Let's make a standing line in the center and then make the outline of the leaf. We will make a V and then make the leaf. Yes, on top of the curve. This even looks like a flower called tulip, isn't it? As of now, we are making a rough drawing and hence we are going to make it very light. Let's make the veins of the leaf. We are going to make it with a V. And the center of the V should be the line. Let's take a black marker and start doing the tracing. You can use a black sketch pen as well. Go very slow while tracing this. If you feel that you've done a mistake while drawing with your pencil, you can correct it while making it with your sketch pen. Go very slow while making these veins. That's lovely. Now let's take our eraser and erase all the pencil marks we see. Do not press your eraser hard on the paper or else the paper might tear. Let's take a color which is closest to the color mentioned in the book and start coloring. Yes, we do the outline first and color in one direction. Do not keep any white spaces in the middle. Let's take another color which is ochre color to start the next leaf. Always remember, we will do the outline first. Yes, we need to color by touching the outer line first. Complete the entire picture in a similar way and then color in one direction. Let's do this together and not leave any white spaces. Now let's trace the center vein with brown color. This is going to give us a realistic effect. Complete this with me. This looks like an autumn tree leaf, isn't it? Yes, and these leaves fall down during autumn.